Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add drop down menu in Elementor. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unwin it. So as you can see, here's my website and this is my menu. To add a drop down menu, first of all you have to go to your WordPress dashboard and go to appearance and click on menus, and from here you have to select your menu which you want to edit, and then here we can see my menu item. So now I want to make a drop down menu. I'm going to drag this item inside of shop item, also the shop here, card, and after that click on save menu. And now I'm going to refresh my website, and then here you can see a drop down menu has been created. And now let's edit this drop down menu with Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor, select this menu, and horizontally menu position, you can change the horizontal alignment. I'm going to make it center, and drop down hover. Here you can see drop down open as hover. So if I hover over on this drop down item, here you can see drop down items are showing up here, and if I select here click, then the drop down items opening after clicking, and then click on advanced, and from here you can change the motion effect. You can see also you can change the background color. After that click on update. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to unwin it. Thanks for watching this video.